Let's dive into the symphony of seas and explore the ocean's silent wonders. A staggering 71% of Earth's surface is embraced by oceans, teeming with an astounding diversity of marine life, creating a living symphony of nature. Plunge into the Mariana Trench, a profound journey to Earth's deepest point at 36,070 feet, where the pressure rivals the weight of 100 elephants. Navigate the Great Barrier Reef, Australia's 2,300 kilometers coral wonder, a sprawling underwater city pulsating with life, showcasing the intricate dance of corals. Embark on an exploration where over 80% of the ocean's mysteries remain concealed, an uncharted territory where scientists